Hey, I'm Mike, Ooni Ambassador with Pizza in the Sack and Pizza Megastar. Today, I'm going to show you how to make pizza tacos. For this recipe, you are going to need 500 grams of pizza dough, 250 grams of taco meat, 250 grams of shredded cheese, and a selection of fresh toppings like iceberg lettuce, salsa, sliced avocado, and sour cream. This recipe calls for 80 gram dough balls per taco. First, you're going to prepare the dough. I'm using 63% hydration and 23% starter, with a cold proof between 24 and 72 hours. Once your dough has bulk proofed, portion the dough and leave covered at room temperature for another 2 to 5 hours. Dust your work surface with flour or fine semolina. Then take each dough ball and stretch it out to form a mini base. Dust out some of that flour and just stick it on the uni peel. So this looks like little tortillas, but they're actually pizza. And you can stretch them as thin or as thick as you want. Top your pizza with a handful of cheese. I'm using Monterey Jack, but cheddar works well too. Then add your chosen taco meat. Once it looks good, you can go out to the code of 16 and give it a shot. Make sure your uni is preheated to about 800 to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, or 450 to 500 degrees Celsius. Launch as many pizzas as you feel comfortable cooking at one time. I'm using my uni turning peel to ensure they get an even cook. So here we've got our little 4-inch pizza tacos, and just like normal Neapolitan style pizzas, they've got a puffy crust and spots of leopardine. Take your pizza tacos and add your preferred fresh toppings. Today we're just gonna go a little salsa, some lettuce, tomato, and some avocado. Get your very own pizza taco. For the others, I can add whatever I want. No pizza taco has to be the same. And that's it. Simply fold and enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below for more amazing content from Ooni Pizza Oven.